Have you ever tried journaling? And has it been helpful? Or has it felt like drudgery and you really didn't get much from the experience? Well, instead of journaling, I want to introduce you to something different in today's video, referred to as writing prompts, which will help lead you to personal growth and success. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back. My name is Dom, and I help people to step into their truth and power. Now, I have a confession to make to you. I am not a big journaling person. I don't enjoy pouring my heart out onto a page. I actually find it rather arduous and painstaking to do. But I recently came across something called writing prompts that has been so much more effective and helpful to me. We already know that writing is an effective process for personal growth because it forces you to slow your thinking and organize your thoughts. We just can't write nearly as quickly as we can think. But writing prompts are effective because they force you to consider things you might not ever think about on your own. There are endless sources of writing prompts that can help you to discover more about yourself, but I'm going to give you a few to try. Are you ready? Consider using some of these. This first one, answer this question. How do you think others view you? Imagine being the observer and watching yourself go through a typical day. What would you think about yourself if you were the average person? What changes do you think should be made based on this observation? Here's a second one. If you had lots of money and free time, what would your life look like? What would you do? What would you stop doing? Everyone wants more time and money, but what would you do if your wish came true? Here's a third question. What negative experiences from your childhood are still influencing or impacting you today? What impact is this having on your life? And why haven't you let go of these experiences? Prior experience or negative experiences influence our adulthood more than you probably realize. Here's another writing prompt to answer. Describe the 5 habits that you could develop that could have the greatest positive impact on your life. What would you accomplish by having these habits? And more importantly, without blaming someone else, why haven't you been able to develop these habits yet? Good habits practically guarantee a happier life. Here's another writing prompt. Describe 3 habits you wish you could drop from your life and the impact that would have if you did. What could you begin doing right now to begin moving yourself and letting go of them? Because we know bad habits can have a greater impact on your life than sometimes the good habits. Here's another one. What is the one thing you want most to accomplish? And what are you willing to let go of to accomplish that one great thing? And what are you willing to embrace more of to actually achieve it? We have a tendency to dabble in too many minor things. Here's another. What do you think about while lying in bed at night? What do these topics say about you? And what do they say about your life? Because where our minds go when we're alone in the dark can be really illuminating. Here's another. How do you procrastinate? What are some ways to limit the amount of time you procrastinate? Procrastination is a stalling technique that robs us of time and progress. And then finally, which people in my life cause me the most grief? Which people are the least supportive? Why have I permitted these people to persist in my life? We have things and people in our lives that cause more harm than good for us. So reconsider all of your relationships. Are they energy enhancing or are they energy draining? These are just a few ideas to get you started in using writing prompts. There are plenty of additional resources about writing prompts available online, but just consider doing one of these prompts each day for a month, and you will be surprised by what you will learn about yourself. All you need is a pen, a paper, and a few minutes each day. So I'm curious, which writing prompt are you feeling motivated to try? Share that in the comments below because I want to support and encourage you as you begin moving forward. And if you found this video helpful and would like even more support in helping you, I invite you to join my free brand new online community, ProEmpowerment Online. I am sharing valuable content in the newsfeed of that community each week. But even more, you'll have the ability to join in that conversation in a place where we can share freely with like-minded people without feeling judged or being shut down or censored for your beliefs. To join me in the community, it's 100% free. Just click on the ProEmpowerment Online link in the comments and description box below. I look forward to connecting with you in that community. And so with that, I'd like to thank you for joining me today. I love that you're here with me today on this video. And until I get to connect with you again for my next video, stay well, stay healthy, and stay empowered.